step in the handling process of the potatoes is harvesting. Harvesting can be done when plants turn to yellow, mix brown color, and start drying. Irrigation should not be given 1 week prior to harvest to completely rehydrate tubers. This will help the skin dry out and cure before harvest. Please avoid damaging tubers when digging soil for harvesting tubers. Use suitable ways to harvest either large quantity or small quantity potatoes. Do not leave the potatoes in the sun too long after harvesting. This is because it will turn the potatoes to green. The second step is grading. It is essential to grade potatoes according to their respective size to assure uniform quality. Grading can ease the packaging and it is economical. The damaged and diseased potato should be separated and discarded.
So next we will be moving on to the packaging and transportation of the potatoes. Potatoes are usually packed in bags or net sacks that are made out of mesh material and can hold up to 10 to 20 pounds of potatoes per time. They are packed in moisture-resistant packaging to prevent bacterial growth, and the packaging is based on the method of processing of the potato. For example, parboiled potatoes are packed in airtight sealed containers. Transportation is carried out in cool and dry containers, and they are mostly transported using lorries by land, ships by sea, and planes by air.
So for storage, we need to keep them in a dark place and a cool place like a paper bag at the ideal temperature between 7 to 10 degrees Celsius. Place the potato in a paper bag and let it open to ensure have a little bit of humidity. Next, avoid store them in a sealed plastic bag because it will trap moisture which is unpleasant for potatoes. Never ever place your potatoes next to onion or garlic. Then, storing them on the counter is not the best way, which is the potatoes will expose too much light that will turn to potato green. After being transported to the market, all the consumers will buy it and will make it into the pan and ready to cook. There is many ways to prepare or cook the potatoes like mashed potatoes, baked potato or just boil it. But in the food industry, like a McDonald's or KFC, the potatoes will make it as mashed potatoes or fried fries that have been high demand nowadays.
Other uses of potato peels are low-carbon fertilizers, household materials for interior design, nutrient-rich noodles, and alternative animal feed. Potato peels are transformed into low-carbon fertilizer and returned to the farm where potatoes are grown. Manufacturing different types of household materials for interior design from industrial potato waste that are durable, recyclable, biodegradable, and do not emit any harmful VOCs into your home. Next one is prepare nutrient-rich noodle from peel waste obtained from potato processing industries as an approach for food customization. And the last one is could be used as alternative animal feed due to its natural sources of energy and fiber with low level of protein. About 1.3 metric billion tons of food waste are wasted annually and might threaten the food security because of its huge amount in the food system. By utilizing the waste from the potato, it can reduce the global waste of food.
Food loss and waste reduction represents a potential opportunity to enhance both food security and environmental sustainability. Potato production generates a great deal of waste, especially potato peels. Potato peels are currently used as a source of starch for potato flour and for instant mashed potatoes. Pulsed electric fields or PEF is a technology where electricity is used to break down the cells of bacteria. PEF can be used as a pre-treatment to increase the yield by extracting starch from potato waste. The valuable components in peels, stalks, and other waste can be extracted in a safe and simple manner without having a resort to harmful chemicals which can cause negative effects to the environment. The great thing is that food that undergo treatment from these new technologies also becomes safer, healthier, and more tasteful as a result.